Assalamu alaikum dear students. A to Z shortcut keys. Ctrl plus A, select all. Ctrl plus B, bold. Ctrl plus C, copy. Ctrl plus D, double underline. Ctrl plus E, center. Ctrl plus A, bind. Ctrl plus G, go to. Ctrl plus H, replace. Ctrl plus I, italic. Ctrl plus J, justify. Ctrl plus K, hyperlink. Ctrl plus L, left align. Ctrl plus M, clear formatting. Control plus N new, Control plus O open, Control plus P print, Control plus Q exit, Control plus R right align, Control plus S save, Control plus T no use, Control plus U underline, Control plus V paste, Control plus W close, Control plus X cut, Control plus Y redo, Control plus Z